What's up, guys? Today we're installing JLT Performance Catch Can on the 2017 Silverado. Follow along. Move it, your factory PCV system, you're going to go right below the throttle body over to that one there, which follows all the way along to back here. You just need a flathead screwdriver to manipulate the other side and then simply slide it out. Once you've gone ahead and removed the PCV hose, which I've already done, come over here, loosen this bolt, because that's where the JLT catch can bracket's going to mount, and push the JLT can right about right here. There you have it, JLT catch can installed. It's about 30 minutes. Does gathering tools and everything. About there, routed. Sorry, it's focusing on the finger. First hose gets routed down there. Longer hose, pretty self-explanatory. Gets routed right below the throttle body. And there you have it.